Hello everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick USCIS policy update regarding the COVID vaccine. So in the past, you needed to get the COVID vaccine when you complete your medical examination as a prerequisite to becoming a permanent resident, which means applying for your green card. But as of January 22nd, the COVID vaccine is no longer required when you complete your USCIS medical exam. This means that USCIS will no longer deny your case or issue a request for evidence asking for proof that you completed your COVID vaccination. This vaccination was a huge problem for a lot of people who didn't want to get it because the only way to qualify for an exemption was to show that you have a religious objection or a moral objection. And both of these pretty much required showing that you objected to all vaccinations, not just the COVID vaccine. In my experience, most people who didn't want to get the vaccine didn't object to all vaccinations. They just objected to this specific vaccine for whatever reason. And I've heard everything from it was rushed to they don't trust mRNA technology or it affects your DNA. It doesn't matter what the reason is, it's no longer required. So I actually have a bunch of clients who are all teed up to submit their green card applications, but they were just waiting to see if there's any policy change under the Trump administration with regard to the COVID vaccination. And now that there's been a change, we are submitting all of those applications immediately because we do not want to wait until there are more policy changes that affect their eligibility for a green card. If that's you, if you were ready to apply for a green card and you were eligible and the only problem was you didn't want to get the COVID vaccine, I urge you to submit your application for your permanent residence as soon as possible. If you need any assistance, I'm available to assist you. Please schedule a consultation and we can go through the whole case and create a plan. And if you want, I can represent you from start to finish in your case. We focus on family-based immigration petitions. So green cards based on being married or a petition for a parent or a petition for a child. We also focus on naturalizations and asylum applications. So if that describes you and you're looking for a lawyer, we would love to have your business. Please reach out. If you're new to my channel, I try to put out policy updates from USCIS regularly, and I describe the ins and outs of family-based immigration. If those are topics you're interested in, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for another one.